price ng entrance, I'm not really parang namahalan ako, okay? Because in other theme parks, hindi naman siya like, it's very expensive. You only see the infinity pool, tsaka yun. To reach Sinagtala Farm and Resort. So later, tatanong natin or paano sumakay doon. Anyways, coming from the U to Orani, riding a UV Express van only cost 120 pesos. So pwede na siya, diba? So this is actually what do you call this? This is how we go on a day tour sa Sinagtala.
Add one trike.
Tatlo? Dalawang trike na ito? And finally, we've arrived Sinagtala Resort Recreational Adventure Park, and of course here at Barangay Tala, Bataan. So as actually okay, we had a day tour trip papunta dito, and even though that ayan, medyo hindi siya nakakapagod papunta dito kasi very easy lang pala. We only had like 2 rides from the U terminal, riding a UV Express van going here dun sa may kanto nila, and then tricycle hanggang dito sa may Sinagtala. Actually, I was thinking parang di siya possible, pero if makikita nyo yung ibang videos, yung construction ng road nila very smooth, kaya possible talaga kahit tricycles, bicycles, motorcycles, ayan, pwedeng makarating dito. It is possible. Showing you guys on how we could be able to go here on the cheapest way. So, thankfully, magaling makipaghagel si Ma'am Miles. Ayan. So, secret lang to. Not anybody could be able to do that. Only her. Okay? So, villas dito. Actually, gilid siya ng so-called canteen.
Resto.
Okay, or maybe restaurant. And I think this one is the canteen. So, lalabas na pa ng resort. And then walk a little. And this is their canteen. Na mukhang very decent naman. And at your back, ayan, yan siguro yung mga villas na available if you want to stay for the rest of the night. But since we're just having day tour, we're having day tour, dun lang kami, dun sa deck, VIP deck yun. Ayan, and it's already like almost 11 o'clock in the morning, so we're going to have our brunch. Ayan, sa may Sinagtala Cafe. Tara, kain na tayo. Gutom na ako. So, since we're trying to help you guys on how to budget travel going to Sinagtala, of course, gugutumin kayo. Mind you, if you're planning to go here, and then syempre day tour, and then commute lang kayo, wala pong mabibilhan na pagkain dun sa sakayan ng kanto papunta dito sa Sinagtala. So, like what I've said, meron silang cafe dito, which is the Sinagtala Cafe. So, yeah, they have, hindi po siya canteen, it's cafe. Kasi if canteen siya, like what they were saying at the front desk, maybe their food ranges like 50 pesos, 70 pesos, right? And lutong bahay, though they have similarities here at the cafe, they also have like classic Filipino dishes. See? This is good for 2 to 3 packs. Like in a budget traveler like us today, this price range is not really for us. Honestly, okay? Kung budgeted ka, it's not really that, it's a little bit pricey. But since gutom kami, we have to eat. Because wala kami doon ng food. And they do not have any other options. This is our last resort, you know. We have to eat and we have to order. Alright, so sana super sarap kagaya ng pagkain sa Angeles City at sa Pampanga, diba? Alright. So, ayan. So, yan yung giant swing. So, if you're up to adventure and adrenaline, this is their giant swing. Ayan. So, pagtaas mo, swing ka sa may trees, on top of the trees. And syempre, Sa likod ko is the, nakikita nyo ba? Zipline. Ayan. So, yan yung starting point ng zipline sa baba. Those are just some of the activities that you can actually do here at Sinagtala. Besides the recreational, the pool, the infinity pool, marami pang pwedeng gawin for your barkada, family. Ayan. So, at my back, can you see this? So, that is the bridge for the skywalk. Ayan. Very nice view, isn't it? Kita halos ang Bataan. So, from Orani to the world and Bataan from Sinagtala. If you can see, the weather is not so hot. It's cloudy. It's a little bit gloomy here at Sinagtala. And that is why it's freezing cold. Freezing cold talaga yung tubig. Yeah. So we're going at the edge of the pool, which is why is it called Infinity? Oh my gosh, malamig po talaga. Hindi po ako nag-iinarte. Malamig po talaga. Ayan, may konting sunlight na, pero so yeah, here is the view. Okay, from the Infinity. So, sa baba is there. Not really like Infinity. Pagkatapos ng pool is bangin na. If you can see, meron siya pang you see, that's very safe. But remember not to play here. You cannot sit on the edge of the pool. But it's very relaxing kasi overviewing Bataan. Kanina, before I went to the pool, it's a little bit cloudy or foggy. So, yun yung mga nagbabike. Skybike. See? You see that? Lapitan natin sila ng konti para makita nyo. So, those are one of the adventures here at Sinagtala. The sky bike. Ayan. So, doon, maganda rin yung view. May deck siya. For if you wanted to take some pictures over the background of Bataan yan. So, wow. Yan yung giant swing. So, pagka-swing mo, bangin. Pupunta ka sa bangin. Enjoying. It's fun. But it's cold. It's really cold. Hi guys, we're back and naka-uwi na kami galing Sinagtala, and we are here right now sa may Jollibee San Fernando kasi dito kami na-drop nung bus na nasakyan namin. So, anyways, I will be telling you or summarize everything that we've done for this day. Alright, so pumunta kami ng Orani, Bataan to go to Sinagtala, riding an UV Express van sa May Dao Terminal. Sa Sinagtala, there is a pool, an infinity pool, and what they call the adventure or the Sinagtala adventure, which includes sky walking, sky bike, zip line, and the giant swing. Ayan. So, prior to that, yung mga attractions na yun, may additional fees sila. So, for example, the skywalk or yung bridge, it costs 100 pesos. Additional 100 pesos sa expenses nyo. So, if you're going there and you decide to do some of the extra activities there, you should really bring along extra money besides the money that you have papunta dun sa Sinagtala. When it comes to food, they have a cafeteria there or what they call Sinagtala Cafe. The price range is from the silogs, tosilog, spam silog, long silog costs 99 pesos to 126 pesos. Yun yung pinakamura. Like what I've told you earlier, if you are a budgeted traveler, 250 pesos for some Pinoy meals are a little bit expensive for us. Okay, so ginawa lang namin is nag-commute. So we know to let you feel kung ano yung paano pumunta doon ng solo for you guys. Bring something to eat with you. Since you're traveling, you're commuting, not so heavy, wag po kayo magdala ng kaldero, okay? And ng mga electronic products like rice cooker, bawal po yun. Alright? What else? Overall, masaya naman siya because, you know, it is very breathtaking. You're very close to nature. Super lamig ng tubig from the water sa swimming pool to the banyo. Malamig talaga yung tubig nila na nanggagaling siguro yan sa bundok or sa mountains. Sa shower room, sa comfort room nila, malinis siya. Unlike na pag pumunta ka ng ibang resort. So, if I were you guys, if you have plans of going there in a group, kung group na kayo, maganda mag-rent na lang kayo ng van or magdala kayo ng sasakyan. And the price ng entrance, I'm not really parang namahalan ako, okay? Because in other theme parks, hindi naman siya like, it's very expensive. You only see the infinity pool tsaka yun, yung view niya. Pero overall, nag-enjoy kami. Yun yung experience doon. We've enjoyed the experience. And yun lang naman yung importante doon. We've enjoyed the experience. Other than that, guys, please be reminded to leave early. Leave the resort early kung gusto nyo to catch up the next bus. Yun lang naman. Okay, so ayan. Nagutom kami. Kain po tayo. And guys, alright. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed, and hopefully you guys, I'm thinking that you could suggest us where to go next or where to eat next. Ayan, and of course, don't forget to like our page, New Media Philippines. Like, share, and comment lang po tayo. And again,